Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. Today I am going to read out to the service activities of Vasavya Mahila Mandali, a wing of Atheist Center, India. Founder President of the organization is Mrs. Chennupati Vidya, Gandhian social worker and former member of parliament, daughter of Sri Gora. Vasavya Mahila Mandali was established in 1969 as a not-for-profit secular voluntary organization based on Gandhian ideology, working for the development of the women, children, and youth in the rural, tribal, as well as urban areas of Andhra Pradesh. Its vision: empowering women, children, and families by increasing happiness and ensuring a sustainable society with human values. Its mission is to ensure the rights of women, youth, and children in life cycle through community-driven initiatives of care, protection, development, and welfare. To facilitate knowledge building of communities on issues of orphan and vulnerable children and youth with gender inclusivity and improving value of education through environmentally appropriate and culturally sensitive approaches. To promote the physical and psychosocial health of communities by building knowledge on prevention, care, treatment, and thereby increasing demand for government services, building capacity of government services, and delivering quality outreach service through community support structures. To promote entrepreneurship and financial sustainability of vulnerable families by educating them on their economic rights, building vocational skills, employment opportunities, and access to credit aid. To increase capacity of the community-based organizations and civil society organizations. To facilitate meaningful participation of women and youth in multi-level democratic decision-making bodies and to advocate changes for progressive policies through evidence-based research. To achieve these objects, VMM delivers messages through locally accepted cultural activities, execute rights-based participatory approaches, and engages hundreds of civil society, government, funding agency, and corporate stakeholders to maximize impact. VMM programs focus on 5 thematic areas. Number 1, health and nutrition. Water, sanitation and safe drinking water, mobile healthcare, Swechha Gora Eye Bank, promotion of small family norm, health education in schools and communities, home community-based prevention-linked care, support and treatment programs for HIV/AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria, sexual reproductive health among adolescents and women, services for migrants, prevention of cancer and diabetes, nutrition education and provision of supplementary nutrition, and reducing food insecurity through improved food production and logistics, livelihoods, microcredit and savings, social enterprise promotion and livelihood generation, education, skills development and knowledge management, Anganwadi Workers Training Center, human rights, violence and torture against women and girls, prevent child marriages, encourage and enable children to make their views known on the issues that affect them, and engage children in dialogue and exchange words, learning constructive ways of influencing the world around them. Partnerships with civil society organizations. VMM is working with a network of 61 partners. VMM manages 7 projects in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana as lead organization. Area of operation. VMM works in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Odisha. VMM is planning to extend and scale up its operations to other states in India. Donors. In the past, VMM has successfully implemented projects relating to training and capacity building, research and documentation, policy advocacy, community mobilization and development through support from international and corporate donors such as Abbott Fund, DFID UK grants, Global Fund through India HIV/AIDS Alliance, ILFS, Children Investment Fund through Family Health International, International HIV/AIDS Alliance, TB Alert, UNDP, UNICEF, Care India, Clinton Foundation, Dutch Bank Asia Foundation, World Bank, HCL Foundation, US Consulate, Andhra Pradesh State AIDS Control Society, AIDS Healthcare Foundation India Cares, Apollo Tires Foundation, Apollo Foundation, Usha International, Sri Ram Foundation, Sarva Siksha Abhiyan, District Tuberculosis Control Society, State Central Governments, and National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD. VMM works in the areas of health, education, and women empowerment. 1. Sexual harassment at workplaces. sensitization of different public and private sector institutions for addressing the issue of sexual harassment of women at workplace through implementation of the Act, training to members, VMM on board both in internal complaints committees and local complaints committee. Domestic violence. Managing Family Counseling Center for victims of domestic violence through counseling, rehabilitation through reunion with family, skill development, livelihood. Service provided to police department and judiciary. Women reach VMM through website, phone or walk-in. Shelter is provided for needy cases. Community-driven safe society. Mahila Mitra initiative where community women volunteered, for which Mrs. Vijaya, President VMM, is the patron. This initiative is promoted by Vijayawada Police Commissionerate. Through this working to bring awareness among communities on various acts available for women and girl child, mapping of risk areas in the respective police station area, informing to police the cases of violence or eve teasing, child marriage, etc., take part in training programs. This is women are at forefront making Vijayawada city women friendly. Child marriages. Through community outreach and police, reach the victims of child marriages, do counseling and place them to continue education or facilitate for skill training or livelihoods. Shelter is also provided in the needy cases. Conduct life skills educations in schools and tell the importance of education and marriage at right age. Self-defense skills. Provide training to girls and women on self-protection both for formal education students and women. And from here, I shall continue in the next episode again. Thank you.
For more videos, please subscribe to this channel Positive Atheism and activate the bell icon. Please download Samaram multi-channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels.